Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use black color and now we draw alphabets. Kids, now we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. Now we draw B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the letter of G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kangaroo. Kids, now we draw L. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Now we draw N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. The next one is P. P for parrot. Kids, now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Now we draw T. And the next one is U. Now we draw V. The next one is W. Now we draw X. X for Xmas tree. Kids, now we draw Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Now we draw numbers. Kids, now we use colors. Now we use the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the number of 1. And the next one is 2. TWO2. Kids, now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. Now we draw the number of 5. And the next one is 6. SIX6. The next one is 7. Now we draw 8. And the next one is 9. Now we draw the number of 10. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.